Identity completion. Understand? Identity completion. Listen to this word. This is the most prominent, most important, first quality of Shivagana. Person filled with Shiva. Shivagana means is length, breadth, depth, all filled with Shiva is a Shivagana. The first and foremost quality of Shivagana is identity completion. Means make your old identity till this moment, the identity you carry, make it as redundant. Understand? Decide it is no more useful to you. Even if you feel, no, there are 2-3 things I can use from that. I was a doctor, I studied the whole MBBS. All that memory is there in that baggage. Shall I just pick up that and leave the remaining? No, I was a banker and my whole banking intelligence is there in that baggage. Shall I take that and leave the rest? No, I was a liar. It means whole thing is garbage. So can I take just that knowledge and leave the rest? Listen. Making your identity redundant does not mean you will lose memory. You are not going to become dementia patient. Don't worry. Making your identity redundant means living constantly with the clarity you are your intention to be. All the physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs are not you. That is your identity. All your physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs are your identity. Make that redundant. I am telling you. Most of you will not even bother whether these AC machines are working or not. But the moment you see the AC machines are fixed, you are already feeling cool. Because psychologically you feel secure. I am not going to be roasted in this. India's Middle India's hot sun. Even for the whole 2 months, if it is not working, no one will even know it is not working. Most of our problems are all about your identity crisis, not reality. Bring completion to your identity. Your identity survives by constantly creating crisis for you. It makes you feel physiologically you are not right, psychologically you are not right, neurologically you are not right. Then in what part you are right? Make your physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs redundant. Morning yoga, only during morning yoga you will feel, oh, I think this is not working properly, that is not working properly, I think I am having something here, I think I am having something there. Because all these are not working properly, only you need yoga. If everything is working properly, then why you need yoga? That is what I call physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs. Your physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs are not you. Make that identity crisis component of you, the identity, redundant. Redundant. Perfection is not the goal, doing is the goal. Make your physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs redundant. Don't allow your physiological down, tiredness, psychological down, arrogance, agitation, irritation, jealousy, neurological down, going cranky. Don't allow any of this, because you are not that. Don't allow any of that to be part of you. You are not that. You are just your intention to be Sadashiva.